Welcome to the final part of our Unity 2D platformer tutorial series. In this video, we'll finish our combat system by adding enemy attacks, player damage, knockback effects, sword hit detection, hit VFX, and flashing animations. Let's wrap it up. Let's give the player a health bar using the UI system. Create a UI slider in the canvas. Rename to player health bar. Remove handle. Set fill color. Move the health bar to top left corner. Set it value to 1. Next, create player health script to handle player health. Write take damage function to calculate player health when he get damaged. Next, create a visual effect for the explosion when a player dies during their animation. Import explosion sprite sheet. Create new VFX folder. Drag sprite sheet image to the folder. Create new particle system. Reset its position. Create new material. Change shader mode to particle, unlit. Change rendering mode to transparent. Drag explosion sprite sheet to albedo texture. Select particle system. In the rendering section, set material to explosion material. Set order in layer to 5, so it stay in front of camera. Disable shape checkbox. Now we have only single particle. Enable texture sheet animation. Set tiles X value to number of explosion frames, in this case is 9. Change rendering mode to fade to fix the transparent issue. Set duration to 1, and start lifetime to 1. Expand emission tab, and create burst. Set burst count to 1 and rate over time to 0. Perfect, we have explosion particle ready to use. Now, spawn explosion particle when player die inside player health script. Now let's give our enemy some simple left-right movement. Create new enemy movement script. In this script we flip enemy movement direction every 2 seconds interval. Next, add hurt animation to player. Open player health, add code to check collision with enemy. Assign enemy movement to enemies. Add rigid body 2D to enemies. Freeze the rotation axis. Assign player health script to player and set reference to it. Now add hurt animation to player animator. Select hurt animation sprite frames, right-click and create animation, name it hurt. Open player animator and drag hurt animation clip to it. Make transition from every other state to it, and create new hurt trigger variable. Assign transition condition and add hurt condition trigger. You need to do this step very carefully. I'm not speed up this progress for you to easier to follow. If you have any question for making animation state machine, feel free to leave comment. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Awesome, the animator looking good. Let open player health script and add logic to destroy character when it dead. Okay, let test player health system. You can see health bar decrease each time player collide with enemies, and when player die, player will be destroyed and spawn explosion particle effect. Cool. Next, add hit VFX. Open sword attack and add this code to spawn hot VFX. Add knockback logic to enemy health script. Import sprite sheet for hit effect. Make particle system similar to explosion VFX. Okay, let test final result. And that's it. You've now finished building a complete 2D platformer game in Unity. From movement, AI enemies, to combat with full effects. Great job making it this far. If this series helped you, please like, share, share, and subscribe to Mr. WonderHow for more tutorials.